800 million years after the Big Bang, when the universe was just a cosmic infant, something extraordinary was happening. 5 galaxies were about to collide in one of the rarest cosmic events ever witnessed. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we've just discovered this ancient galactic pileup, and it's rewriting what we know about how the universe evolved. Let's put this discovery in perspective. We're looking back 13.2 billion years into the past when the universe was barely 6% of its current age. The first galaxies were just beginning to form from primordial gas and dark matter. What Webb found defies the odds. While galaxy mergers involving 2 galaxies happen regularly, affecting 20 to 30% of all galaxies, finding 5 galaxies merging simultaneously? That's extraordinarily rare. Less than 1% of all merger systems involve multiple galaxies. Dr. Wada Hu, a postdoctoral researcher at Texas A&M University, led this groundbreaking discovery. Using a combination of Webb's near-infrared camera and archival Hubble data, his team identified what they're calling JWST's quintet. Here's where Webb's power becomes clear. While Hubble could see some of these galaxies, only Webb could reveal that all 5 share the same redshift, meaning they exist at the same cosmic distance and are physically interacting, not just appearing close from our perspective. Let's examine this cosmic crash site. The system contains at least 5 major galaxies plus 17 smaller clumps, all embedded within a massive gas halo stretching across space. To give you a sense of scale, the 2 main galaxies are separated by 43,300 light-years, while the most distant pair spans 60,700 light-years. For comparison, our entire Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across. These galaxies are cosmically close neighbors. Webb reveals incredible details. Bridges of stellar material stretching between galaxies, created by gravitational forces tearing at their structures. These are called tidal tails, and they're smoking gun evidence of galactic interaction. But here's what makes this system truly special. These galaxies are furiously forming new stars at rates much higher than expected for this early era. They're cosmic star factories working overtime. This discovery has a famous cousin much closer to home, Stephan's quintet, immortalized in the classic film It's a Wonderful Life. But there's a crucial difference. While Stephan's quintet is actually 4 galaxies, merging with a 5th photobombing the scene, JWST's quintet appears to be a true 5-way collision. More importantly, the ancient system is much more active. These young galaxies are rich in gas, creating stars at incredible rates. Scientists predict this ancient quintet, with a combined mass of 10 billion suns, will eventually evolve into a massive quiescent galaxy, one that stops forming stars entirely. This could happen within 1 to 1.5 billion years after the Big Bang. This discovery helps solve a major cosmic mystery. Webb has found several massive dead galaxies that stopped forming stars very early in the universe's history. How could galaxies die so young? JWST's quintet might provide the answer. When multiple gas-rich galaxies merge rapidly, they can trigger such intense star formation that they quickly exhaust their fuel. Add in actively feeding supermassive black holes, and you have a recipe for creating dead galaxies in the cosmic dawn. As Webb continues to survey the deep universe, astronomers hope to find more systems like this cosmic quintet. Each discovery helps us understand whether these extreme mergers are infrequent exceptions or if they reveal new mechanisms shaping the early universe.